Hello smart learners, let's learn another property of multiplication of fractions. So bear with me. Changing the grouping in the multiplication of 3 or more fractions does not change the product. It means in multiplication when we change grouping of fraction, product remains same. Let's understand with the example. In bracket 1 by 2 multiply by 3 by 5 and bracket complete and multiply by 4 by 7. So let's simplify. 3 1 ja 3, 5 2 ja 10, multiply by 4 by 7. Let's simplify. 2 2 ja 4 and 2 5 ja 10. So what we get? 3 2 ja 6 and 5 7 ja 35. This is our product. Now here we have changed the grouping. 1 by 2 out of the bracket and 3 by 5 multiply by 4 by 7 in the bracket. Now let's check it out. 1 by 2 multiply 3 4 ja 12 and 5 7 ja 35. So 2 6 ja 12. So here also we get same product 6 by 35. So thus we can write 1 by 2 multiplied by 3 by 5 bracket complete multiplied by 4 by 7 is equal to 1 by 2 in bracket 3 by 5 multiplied by 4 by 7. I hope you understood how this property works. तो ऐसे इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियो देखने के लिए मेरी चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. हैप्पी लर्निंग, बिलीव इन योरसेल्फ.